Good morning, my name's Kristen. Initially, I interviewed 5 separate construction companies and chose on-time contractors because of the connection I felt with Mark, who was my first contact with the company. He was very approachable, he had good ideas, he allowed me to say what I needed to say about my ideas, and then he offered alternatives which were useful and constructive and also imaginative. I have chosen on-time contractors to do a complete house project for my husband and I. This is our retirement home and hopefully will be our home for the next 20 years. The whole project with On Time has been a pleasure. The budgetary considerations, which are very important to all of us, have been exceeded. We have done more with our dollar than we anticipated we would be able to do. We do have future projects which I hope we will be able to use on-time contractors to do for us. For instance, we'd like to have a new deck on the outside of the house. I would recommend this company wholeheartedly to my family and friends. I have other people who've asked me about and neighbors who've come in to see the house. We will have an open house so they can all see what a wonderful job the company has done, and I would commend this company to you.